Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to log in into Snapchat web without using your phone at all. It will only take you like a minute, so please follow along. So first of all, go into Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice. Then just search up Snapchat space web. Now click on the first link which says web.snapchat.com. Now scroll down and find where it says login with username or email address. Just put in your username or email address over here. It will redirect to your new page. Now over on this page you just need to log in like how you normally would on your phone. If you guys liked my tutorial, please make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel as it really helps us out. And please make sure to leave a comment if you think our tutorial helped you. Thank you guys for